United Kingdom.
This is the police car of the United Kingdom. The country has an area of 243,610 square kilometers and a population of approximately 68 million people. The police vehicles used include the Ford Transit, BMW 5 Series, and Jaguar XF.
Finland.
This is the police car of Finland. The country has an area of 338,455 square kilometers and a population of approximately 5.5 million people. The police vehicles used include the Volvo V70 and Ford Mondeo.
Italy.
This is the police car of Italy. The country has an area of 301,340 square kilometers and a population of approximately 60 million people. The police vehicles used include the Fiat Panda, Alfa Romeo Giulietta, and Lamborghini Huracan.
Portugal.
This is the police car of Portugal. The country has an area of 92,090 square kilometers and a population of approximately 10 million people. The police vehicles used include the Renault Kangoo and Peugeot 308.
Croatia.
This is the police car of Croatia. The country has an area of 56,594 square kilometers and a population of approximately 4 million people. The police vehicles used include the Volkswagen Passat and Skoda Octavia.
Czech Republic.
This is the police car of the Czech Republic. The country has an area of 78,867 square kilometers and a population of approximately 10.5 million people. The police vehicles used include the Skoda Superb and Ford Focus.
Greece.
This is the police car of Greece. The country has an area of 131,957 square kilometers and a population of approximately 10.4 million people. The police vehicles used include the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
Hungary.
This is the police car of Hungary. The country has an area of 93,028 square kilometers and a population of approximately 9.6 million people. The police vehicles used include the Opel Astra and Skoda Octavia.
Austria.
This is the police car of Austria. The country has an area of 83,879 square kilometers and a population of approximately 9 million people. The police vehicles used include the Audi A6 and BMW 3 Series.
Bulgaria.
This is the police car of Bulgaria. The country has an area of 110,879 square kilometers and a population of approximately 7 million people. The police vehicles used include the Renault Koleos and Skoda Kodiaq.
France.
This is the police car of France. The country has an area of 551,695 square kilometers and a population of approximately 67 million people. The police vehicles used include the Peugeot 308 and Citroën Berlingo.
Germany.
This is the police car of Germany. The country has an area of 357,022 square kilometers and a population of approximately 84 million people. The police vehicles used include the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class.
Iceland.
This is the police car of Iceland. The country has an area of 103,000 square kilometers and a population of approximately 370,000 people. The police vehicles used include the Toyota Land Cruiser and Volvo V70.
Norway.
This is the police car of Norway. The country has an area of 148,729 square kilometers and a population of approximately 5.4 million people. The police vehicles used include the Volvo V90 and BMW 5 Series.
Russia.
This is the police car of Russia. The country has an area of 17,098,242 square kilometers and a population of approximately 143 million people. The police vehicles used include the Lada Vesta and UAZ Patriot.
Poland.
This is the police car of Poland. The country has an area of 312,696 square kilometers and a population of approximately 38 million people. The police vehicles used include the Škoda Octavia and Ford Mondeo.
Ukraine.
This is the police car of Ukraine. The country has an area of 603,550 square kilometers and a population of approximately 43 million people. The police vehicles used include the Škoda Octavia and Volkswagen Passat.
Sweden.
This is the police car of Sweden. The country has an area of 450,295 square kilometers and a population of approximately 10.5 million people. The police vehicles used include the Volvo V90 and BMW 5 Series.
Spain.
This is the police car of Spain. The country has an area of 505,992 square kilometers and a population of approximately 47 million people. The police vehicles used include the Seat Leon and Renault Traffic.